Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. I'm at Marva Studios experiencing the beautiful 5th Global Literary Festival, and I'm in conversation with an amazing author, Dr. Amit Kaur. कैसा लगा जाकर आपको कैसा लग रहा है एटमॉस्फेयर कैसी वाइब्रेशंस हैं यहाँ पे
Literary festival always appeals me wherever it is celebrated, and in Marva Studios, since I'm associated since last 5 years, and the first literary festival started and I was here, and this is the 5th one, and I really am very much attached to this place. And then literary festival, it's like it runs in my blood, and I'm enjoying each and every bit of it.
So it's our pleasure to host you every time because it adds so much of glamour, glitters, and of course knowledge to our festival. Okay, now I would like to know that what was the theme for the day of your event? What did you experience? आपने क्या share किया यहाँ पे आज लोगों के साथ?
Okay. We started with the first session of the Global Literary Festival, and the theme of that session was recent trends in literature and language. With the poetry session and the blogging session of youth of India and many youth icons who read, write poetries and articles and they blog, they came and they presented their work over here, and I was very very happy to see the youth also getting involved in literature, in reading and writing. Plus, the recent trends in literature were discussed, and it was really quite fruitful because I think we concluded with the note we have to change and transform the way we write so that new generation should read it and it should be more interesting and knowledgeable.
Exactly. So one thing what I have observed is that writing, it is going out of fashion. People, those like gone are those days when they were so avid in reading and writing. तो इस चीज़ पर आपके क्या विचार हैं? आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं कि आज की जनरेशन उनको क्यों ऐसा है कि राइटिंग में इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा कम होते जा रहा है?
See, when you speak about creative writing and ask anyone, just go and ask the crowd what is creative writing. You will have only 10 to 20 hands up. But if you'll ask what is the version of new mobile coming up, you will have 90 hands at least if 100 people are sitting in that room. So I really feel pity on this part because I personally think writing is very very important, and I as a child I developed this habit to write my daily chores, and when I write something that means it is full and final, I am going to do this. Unless if I don't write anything, that means it is in air, and I'm not going to do that. When you write, it is a one way of healing yourself from sadness, from disappointments, from hopelessness, as well as when you write something very positive, then it is a one way of expressing your love, your happiness to entire world.
Exactly. And expression is golden. देखिए हम लोग सोचते हैं कि यार लिखेंगे तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, मैं गलत लिखूंगा सही लिखूंगा. अरे लिखना स्टार्ट तो करो कहीं से. प्रोफिशिएंसी एक दिन में थोड़ी आती है. सो करत करत अभ्यास से जड़मती हुई सुजान. Ma'am, I would like to gather some basic tips for the budding writers now. How would you inspire them?
It is imbibed in the tradition of India to read, write and to listen. And सबके घर में हमारे इंडिया में एक श्लोक डेली सुबह बोला जाता है. वो मैं हर एक स्टूडेंट को, हर एक बडिंग पोएट या राइटर को ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि सुबह उठ के एक बार ये श्लोक बोलें. ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. This is Gayatri month, and it means that the God who has made this universe has blessed the human beings with the power to gain knowledge. So this is, and how we will gain knowledge? We gain knowledge just by reading and experiencing and jotting down whatever experiences we are having in life. So just go and write your experience, immaterial of what grammatical mistakes you are making or what vocabulary you are using. Just go and write.
Celebrate reading, celebrate writing, and that's what we are doing it today at the 5th Global Literary Festival. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for inspiring us and talking to MSTV.